Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. Rao's post-operative recovery. He's been experiencing significant pain and swelling in his jaw.
That's unusual, Mihira. The surgery should have been relatively straightforward. Let's review his medical history and the procedure notes.
He has a history of diabetes and hypertension. The surgery was a routine extraction.
Diabetes and hypertension can affect healing. We'll need to monitor his blood sugar and blood pressure closely. Have you checked the extraction site for any signs of infection?
Yes, the site looks clean, but there's significant swelling and pain.
It's possible that there's a dry socket. Mihira, we can perform a simple procedure to address it. In the meantime, I'll prescribe pain medication and recommend warm saltwater rinses.
Thank you, Dr. Paul. I'll follow up with Mr. Rao and inform him of the plan.
Mihira, let me explain a bit more about what high blood pressure actually is. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a medical condition where the force of the blood pushing against the walls of your arteries is consistently too high. Your arteries are responsible for carrying blood from your heart to the rest of your body, and when the pressure inside them is elevated over time, it can put extra strain on your heart and blood vessels. This increased pressure doesn't always produce noticeable symptoms, which is why it's often referred to as a silent condition. Many people can live with high blood pressure for years without feeling unwell, which can make it hard to detect without regular monitoring. It's completely understandable to feel concerned after hearing you have high blood pressure, but please know that you're not alone. This is a very common condition, and the good news is that it's highly manageable. Many people are able to bring their blood pressure into a healthier range through relatively simple lifestyle adjustments, such as eating a balanced diet, being more active, reducing stress, and limiting salt or alcohol intake. In some cases, medication may also be recommended, which can be very effective and well tolerated. It's important to remember that a diagnosis of high blood pressure is not an immediate crisis. What matters most is consistent management and regular checkups. By working closely with your healthcare provider and making small but meaningful changes, you can significantly reduce your risk of complications and continue to live a full, healthy life.